Welcome to the paid Udemy course on 3D tutorials. In this course, you are going to learn 3ds Max scene setup and export, twin-motion camera and light settings. Material creation is the twin motion. Scene composition for twin motion. Twin motion static and animated renders. The integration of Datasmith, Twinmotion, and 3ds Max. In freezone360.com, you will find always updated all the online courses absolutely free. Visit the link in the description box to download all Udemy courses for free. Thank you, have a nice day.